Hello, today we will see about development of female gametophyte. Before going to development of female gametophyte, we will see the structure of pistil. Pistil has three parts. The upper portion is known as stigma and the middle portion is known as style and the lowermost portion is known as ovary. Inside the ovary, ovule is present and the ovule is attached to the ovary through the placenta. To the placenta, the ovule is attached. The nucleus cell, which is towards the micropyle end, one of the nucleus cell which is towards the micropyle end will act as a MMC, that means megaspore mother cell. This MMC means megaspore mother cell will undergo meiosis 1, as a result of which it will form megasporidiad, that means two nucleus it will form. This megasporidiad will undergo second meiosis and it will form megaspore tetrad, and these tetrad are arranged in a linear form. Out of this full megaspore, one will become functional megaspore and 3 will degenerate. The megaspore which is towards the chalazial end will act as a functional megaspore mother cell, and the 3 shell which is towards the chalazial end will act as a non-functional megaspore. The functional megaspore will later act as a embryo sac, and this functional megaspore will undergo mitosis. As we know that mitosis consists of two parts, that is a karyokinesis, division of nucleus, and cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Mitosis will first undergo karyokinesis 1 and it will form one more nucleus, that means two nucleus will form. And in the next step, there will be a polar migration. Polar migration is a step in which the nucleus will shifted towards the two polar side. The nucleus is shifted to polar side, and after the shipment of nucleus to the polar, karyokinesis 2 will form, as a result of which two more nucleus will form. Two nucleuses toward one side and two nucleuses towards the other side. After the formation of 4 nucleus, there will be karyokinesis 3, as a result of which 4 more nucleus will form. That means 4 nucleus is present towards one side and 4 nucleus is present towards one polar. After the formation of 8 nucleus, there will be a central migration of polar nuclei. That means one nucleus from each pole will shifted to the central. Here 3 nucleus is present at once. 3 out of the 4 nucleus, 1 nucleus shifted to centered from each side. That means 3 nucleus is left at each polar side. After that, cytokinesis will take place. That means wall formation will take place, and that means 3 cell is present towards the 3 wall will form towards the micropyle end and towards the chalazial end, and this 2 cell which is present at the center known as a polar nuclei. Before fusion, before fertilization, this polar nucleus will fuse and form a secondary nucleus which is also known as a definitive nucleus. So this is a structure of embryo sac. In next video we will discuss detail about the embryo sac. So this is all about the development of the female gametophyte, how it form a megaspore dyad and then megaspore tetrad, and how functional and non-functional which is present towards the chalazial is known as a functional and other will degenerate, and how it will go karyokinesis 1, then polar migration, then karyokinesis 2, then karyokinesis 3, then central migration of polar nucleus, then how central cytokinesis will take place, and this is all about the development of female gametophyte. Thank you.